Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xavier, the math scientist. Wait, why can't we visit Blue Market? When it starts to level up, something special happens when you reach level 100. And so many leaves. Nice. Let's see here. 756 minus 292 equals 6 minus 2 equals 4. And I know I can't subtract 5 from 9. What I have to do is subtract 7. Borrow 1 from 7. Turn the 7 into a 6. Turn the 7 into a 6. And turn the 15 into... I turned the 5 into a 15. And 15 minus 9 equals 6. And 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's see here. Pretty nice if I do say so myself. Measurement link 4. Okay. Spark sphere. See spark sphere on him. Nice. Pretty nice. Okay, we're doing dimensions again. Got correct. Okay, let's use trouble self. If you missed him, you're lucky. What? Ooh, ow. Okay, let's do 2 times 7 and 5 times 7. Let's use dimension 2. And I got it correct. Let's see, sharpen on says what was that? Okay. Let's use 9 times 4 and 5 times 8. Oops. A little bit disaster. Correct. Let's use spark sphere on him. Boom. And up to level 107. I thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, leave a like to my video, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. I see you next time. Bye.